Alright, I guess you can count this as part 5, maybe 4. We'll say it's part 5, because did some stuff. Alright, well I got that starter installed again. It's right here. Okay, and it's a little bit of a pain to put it back in. The cogs, if it didn't go in the first time, you kind of got to move that cog or gear at the end of it. And you got to screw that bolt in first. So you can get this one in to kind of line it up, but you can't tighten it down just yet. You got to tighten this one up all the way. It's the guide pin. So once that one's tightened, you can put the screw in, and then you can attach your negative, and then put your positive back on. Alright, so I got a new battery. It's hooked up. Alright. Relays are back. Turn power on. Oh look. We're good. We got some power. Brakes on always. There we go. Alright, the rattling noise, that's parts. Don't worry about that. But anyways, so I'm going to replace the starter since I did order a new one, but I just wanted to test it just to make sure that that's what it actually was. So, I didn't need to get the starter solenoid relay. I don't know why it was making that noise last time, but I got it all figured out. So before you take any of these parts out or start diagnosing or troubleshooting, I'm going to save you the pain. You can either tap that starter right here, or on the other side of the bike, you can come over here. And it's right there. Right there. Just give it a little tap. Just a tap, tap, and you should be good. But now my problem is, I gotta figure out how to wire this winch up. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna probably pull this red wire out, run it up into here, put a toggle switch somewhere right in here, and then run it back to the winch. That way I can have it in emergency dire situations for when the bike's off and I'm gonna be screwed and I just need to get out. I can winch myself out, and when the bike's on I can still turn the switch over and pull myself out. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm kind of bummed out it was something as simple as tapping the starter, but now we know some things. So y'all have a good one. To the next one, I'll probably post a picture. It's deer season this coming weekend, so I'm glad I got this bike up and running before I had to take it to a dealer. But if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below. And I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you all have a great one, y'all.